first, watch this video. Then, this one. And finally, this one. What do you think? Were these made using Grok? No, these weren't made with Grok. Instead, they were created using an app that is 100 times better than Grok. With Grok, you can only create a few videos per day, but with this app, you can create unlimited videos easily. It's still completely free, but no one knows how long it will stay free. So without wasting any more time, let's go step by step. First, go to the Google Play Store. Then type Gen V in the search bar and search. There it is, our desired app. Now go ahead and download it. Once the download is complete, open the app. Continue, continue, one more time. It will ask for notification permission. Just allow it, so even if you minimize the app, it can notify you when your video is ready. Now, inside the app, you'll see an option called XAI. Click on it. You'll see 3 options appear. Ignore the first and the last one, and select the middle option, Google Veo 3.1 Fast. Then choose your preferred video ratio and quality. Now I'll just write a simple prompt. You can also upload any image you like to create videos. Then click on Create Video and wait for a few moments. That's it. Your video is ready. Download it from here. High quality video without watermark. If you found this video even slightly helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.